Hello friends, let us today get introduced to the concept of flipped classroom. Take 2 minutes and carefully watch the picture shown in the slide. Flipped. Why is it called flipped? Because the activities happening in the classroom are now going to happen at home, and the activities which were happening at home will be happening in the classroom. All the information transfer is going to happen at home as in homework, whereas the knowledge assimilation is going to take in the classroom doing various activities along with the teacher. Flipped classroom. Outside of the class, student watches videos and other multimedia material that explain the concept much as teacher does during a lecture. Then in class, student work through what they watch doing the activities, participating in discussions and asking teacher questions to help them understand the concepts. Teacher can provide just-in-time advice and correct logical fallacies. Students can become more engaged in their learning and help teacher make better use of the class time using flipped classroom. As the picture shows, the student is engaged watching the video at home. This is where the information transfer is going to happen. Whereas in the class, students are engaged doing discussions, that is knowledge assimilation. What are the benefits of flipped classroom model? More time in class. Direct instruction outside the classroom makes room for engaging and communicative activities based upon the discussion and interaction. Class time is much more productive when the students spend time at home watching the YouTube clips, video recorded lectures and other material uploaded to the course management system. Learner control. The flipped classroom is learner-centric, student-focused, because student can decide when and how they watch the lesson. They can pause and replay the lessons the way they want. Increased learning outcomes. Significant improvement in student listening and speaking skills of the flipped classroom. Students can access the content of their class time anywhere on any device. Student can receive instant feedback and teachers can spend more time helping students and explaining difficult concepts. Students learn at different pace and the flipped model allows students to manage their study time. Responsibility for learning is flipped from teacher's hand to student's hand in the flipped classroom. In the flipped classroom, face-to-face time is flipped from teacher's focus to student focus. In the flipped classroom, focus of the class time is flipped from low order to high order thinking. Low-level Bloom's taxonomy is outside of the class via video, podcast, articles, website, etc. High-level Bloom's taxonomy is during the class time with teacher and peer discussion and support. What are the expectations of millennial generation? Number 1. Challenge me and let me challenge you. Students are all hooked to their screen and instantly check out and verify topics that are discussed in the class. Instead of passively accepting and memorizing facts, the millennial generation want independent confirmation of what is told to them. Healthy skepticism is their default response. Don't teach me, augment my experience. The current generation of students don't feel the need to become textbook smart. They know that facts can be easily found online through their own independent actions. In a world of open access to knowledge, it makes little sense to rely on classroom as a forum for transfer of knowledge. Instead, Students much prefer to learn from the stories and experiences of others. These shared stories and experiences help them augment their own experience by learning from the success and mistakes of others. Inspire me and give me freedom and responsibility. New technologies have made it possible to work anytime and from any place. Technology is enormously empowering. Millennials are able to come up with amazing and creative solutions if they are given an inspiring task and freedom and responsibility to complete the task. In order to tap into their talent, it is crucial to offer students meaningful and challenging assignments. So, for this millennial generation, what do you think? Can flipped classroom educate millennial more effectively? Take your time and write down 5 points why flipped classroom is more suitable for millennials. Thank you.